What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to inspect and chisel any specs to make your final product look as best as possible. Remember, no tint job will ever be perfect, but we want it as close to perfect as possible. Quality over quantity. First, clean the outside of the glass. When inspecting, I found it easier to find imperfections at an angle. When looking for specs straight on, it will be harder to notice them. What I like to do is inspect the whole glass to see what areas I have to chisel and work out specs. Keep in mind, darker films will be easier to find specs compared to lighter options like 35 and 50%. It is very hard to record a spec on camera because they are so small. I don't know if you can see, but those shiny dots are small specks. This example has one too many specs. If this was a customer's car, I would definitely redo this. Once the film cures, the spec will be more noticeable and it will look like a bunch of silver dots in the tint job. Specks come from particles that got into the tint. Most common would be dust in the air, or you did not clean properly and you struggled during the installation. Also, if you have long hair or a beard, you may end up with a hair behind the film, which would look like a long silver line. At that point, you will have to redo the tint job. Also, if you mishandled the film, you can get creases that will show on your install. In another video, I will cover what these imperfections look like. Only thing you can really get away with is a speck here and there, because after you chisel it, the speck becomes very small and the customer won't notice it. If you haven't already, if you could like this video and subscribe to my social media channels, I would really appreciate it. I do have my little chiseler wrapped in slip tape to prevent scratching the freshly installed tint. First thing you want to do is push the water out around the speck. I am using the side with the slip tape on it. Then you will use the corner of the little chiseler to work at the speck. You will see the speck become very small. I do have another example later in the video which you can see the speck a lot better. As you are working the speck, try not to use too much pressure or you will scratch the film. Once you are done working the speck, you will push the water out from around the speck one more time with the side of your chiseler. Right here we have two specks that we need to work at with our chiseler. Same thing as before, push out the water and then use the round edge of the chiseler to work the speck. You can see that the speck got a lot smaller, and that is what we want to see. Right here we have another speck. We are going to repeat the process for all the specs. If you have too many or you have a clutter of specs, it is easier to redo the tint job. If you're getting a lot of imperfections, you need to take a step back and think about why that may be happening. Learn from your mistakes. Thank you for watching and make sure to follow the course step by step.